Hello everyone, welcome back with new video on Java programming. In this video, we are going to see type of comments in Java. First, understand what is meant by comment. Comment is a non-executable line or code of lines and that is ignored by compiler. Then there are three types of comment in Java. That is single line comment, then block comment, that is piece of code. Then third one, Java doc comment. Let's see with the example. For that, just start STS, click on file, then new Java project, name as types of comments. Just click on finish. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं और project is created. Then right click on source. Create one Java file that is name as types of comments. Click on finish. कमेंट का मतलब है हम जिस लाइन को कमेंट करते हैं वो लाइन कंपाइलर इग्नोर करता है मींस वो कोड एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करता है वो सिर्फ कोडर्स के अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए हम लिखते हैं फॉर दैट फर्स्ट राइट मेन मेथड पब्लिक स्टैटिक void main in the brackets string arguments complete the curly bracket. We'll see first that is single line comment. Single line comment means just we are giving the comment for the single line, not more than one. And it is denoted by double forward slashes. Let's see with example. Here I am writing one addition of two numbers program. Declare one variable a, assign value 45, another one b, assign value 56. Store the addition in result. And print the result. Dot println. Addition of A and B each. Concatenate the result. Save the file. Here we have written addition of two numbers program. By using the single line comment, I'm just giving one comment like that. Here also you can give that is addition of A and B. अगर हमने ऐसे ट्राई किया तो यहाँ पर एरर आ गया. So we are just giving the single line comment that is double forward slashes. Now here you can see the error is gone. This comment is also we can give with the help of shortcut key that is, I'm just removing it, that is control and then forward slash. Here you can see the line is commented. Also in opposite for uncommenting the line, just use shortcut control and then again forward slash. The line is uncommented. Okay, we are going to use comment the line and run the program. Let's see the line is printed or not. Here you can see only addition of, here is spelling mistake. Save and rerun it. Here you can see addition of A and B is 100 means this line is not get printed cause we have commented it. This is a use of comment. Then another type is block comment which is generated by forward slash star, same end with star and forward slash. Let's see in example. If there are multiple lines, like we have written some code that is some lines that is A is equals to some value, enter, B is equals to some another value. We want to comment the n number of lines at a time. For that, if in case we use that single line comment, this not work. We needed to do each line commented. Instead of that, we are going to use the block comment. That is, select the text. Otherwise, do it manually as forward slash then star. End whatever where we want to end. It is star and forward slash. Save the file. Here you can see the code is commented. Another way of doing it by shortcut, that is Control Shift and forward slash. First, select the code and press Control Shift and forward slash. Here you can see our n number of lines code is commented. Same for uncommenting it, just Control Shift and backward slash. Here you can see our code is uncommented. Here I am writing the multiple lines, that is copying the same and paste it. Just remove the tab. Okay, and comment it with the help of select and Control Shift save. Then third type is Java doc comment. This type of comment we are going to use at the start of program. If we are going to write program, then here we can write the documents name. यहाँ पर हम documents information लिख सकते हैं. That is program about addition of two numbers. Numbers are A and B. Then author name. Author is code with XYZ. We want to put it as Java doc comment, that is for that forward slash double star and then end with single star and forward slash. This is how Java doc comment is work. We can give the name here that you can understand easily. Java doc comment. This is cut. This is single line comment. And this one is block comment. Just run it. Here you can see only the system.out.println line is get printed. The another commented line not get printed or not get executed by compiler. So I hope you guys all are understand the types of comment and how to use it in Java. Thank you so much for watching.